So welcome back, guys. Today I have finally got my wing I have waited 6 months for. The problem was the first company I ordered from, they never delivered it. I don't know why. I tried to text them multiple times and they just said, yeah, it's coming. That's all I get from them, and after a while they just stopped answering me. So I got my money back and ordered from another company, and now I have it. So here it is. Here we have it. I think it calls Clinched. I probably pronounced it wrong, but Clinched Ducktail wing. And I probably gonna do this in the wrong order, don't hate me for that. I actually gonna paint this first before I drill all the holes and everything, because I don't know if this gonna be painted good anyway, because I do it with paint cans, the spray cans, and I have never done that before, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And if this paint job is good enough, I'm gonna mount it on the trunk, but we can test fit it first. It's gonna looks like something like this. I think it looks awesome. They're gonna go a bit higher up. And yeah, I know I have no tape, but don't worry, the paint is good. So the first step we're gonna do is I'm gonna sand this down to a really nice matte tone, so the base coat gonna fit really good to the wing. So let's start. I think this is enough. You can just check with your finger like this, if you stick your finger to your tongue. And you see it's a nice matte layer now over the wing. So it's time to clean it up and spray on the first base coat. So let's wait 5-10 minutes and we put on the next layer. I think we need to put on a thin more layer because it's some spot I have missed, and it's never perfect when you use a spray can. So let's wait. So I have to lift it up to fill it up the end of the wing, and I have to do it on the other side. But anyway, now we have to wait 2 to 3 hours to this to dry. That's what the can say. I think you just have to wait half an hour. But it's cold in my garage, so we wait at least 3 hours before we put on the paint. And the paint is the same code color as the car, so I hope this gonna looks good in the end. And we also have this primer just for ABS plastic, and you have this thing in the bottom you pop up, and you can use it for 24 hours, and after that you need to throw it away. So see you in 3 hours.
Much later.
So now I'm gonna sand it again to remove all the bad spots, just these small marks from the base coat. And the paper I use is P1200. They don't have the 1000, so I think 1200 is good enough. I'm gonna do it without water. Normally you sand it with water, but I don't think we need to do that. So let's start. As you can see, I also drill all the holes before painting. And when you drill the hole to the emblem, make a mall so you don't put makes hole and emblem stands like this. So make sure to do this to make your life more easy. And I have also sanded it down and it's ready for paint. I'm just gonna clean it up again. So me and my good friend Simon have helped me to measure out where we're gonna drill the hole in the trunk, and it looks like this for now. So wish me luck to drill the holes, because I'm super scared and I have no idea what I'm fucking doing right now. So we have our 8 ugly holes in the trunk, so it's no return now, and now is the first pop that we're gonna pop in. I don't know what it's called in English, but here we go. No pressure.
No pressure at all. And then so there.
Is it a success or not?
I think. Frågan är om vi vågar spänna lite mer nästa. Får känna på dem helt enkelt.
Success boys! Just 7 more to go.
The next day.
So, moment of truth. is 50-50. This can be good or really bad, so wish me luck.
Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me.
So far, it actually looks good. So I'm gonna bring some more lights. And we're gonna wait 5 minutes and do another layer.
It's making me feel so weak.
And another 5 minutes. So I'm gonna wait 2 hours and see how it looks. Now we have 3 layers, that should be enough, but I think it's some spots that we need to fill up, so maybe we put on another layer, but this looks good so far. So, as you can see, I have put on the clear coat and it has dried for over 24 hours. You can see some different on the colors. It's not a huge difference. The problem is this paint is extremely hard. It's very shiny. And I think the problem with this was I had the wrong base coat color. I don't know, I'm not the expert, but I think that was the reason. And I actually put on 4 layers of clear coat, so it looks pretty good anyway. But even if there are some color difference, it doesn't matter because we're gonna wrap this in blue in the future. The coming spring is like 6 months away because it need to be 20 degrees in my garage if you're gonna wrap it, and for now it's gonna be really cold because it's winter. But anyway, I have bought some screws for the holes and I have a temporary solution. You can see is electric tape there. It's just if it's rain and I need to use my car, I don't want it to rain in water because we don't have any list here. I'm gonna buy a list so they don't rain water down because we don't want water in the trunk. So let's put it on. So I'm finally done with the wing. I think it turned out to be pretty awesome. From the back, you can't see. Surely it's dark, but I have lighted up. There's the lamp. I have lighted up and with the eye you can barely see the color difference. When you come close, you can see it up here, yeah, and you can feel the difference. Of course, this is plastic, but here, okay, you can see the difference, but with the eye, if you don't focus, you don't see the difference, and I think the wing looks fantastic. Ghost. But anyway, thank you for watching. This was a really long project. 3 days took it. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video so we can do more projects like this. Maybe we should buy a wide body kit. Maybe, if we get the money. So see you next time.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.